Okay, hey guys, I am Melody Miller, and as you can tell by the title of this video, I am bleaching my hair.
I don't know how to do this.
Come on. Here is the final result. Okay, so I have all of my stuff set out here and got some mirrors, and this is the dye that I'm using. It's a highlighting kit, so then it'll actually bleach my hair instead of just dye it a weird color. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and start. Okay, so I'm gonna tie up my hair because I'm just gonna be doing the underneath portion, kind of like Charli D'Amelio. My friend's laughing at me. Can you actually help me tie up my hair?
Yeah. I don't know what you want me like that. I don't know how to do this.
Okay. Let go. Okay. Wait. Okay, I'll fix it up a little bit.
Go watch her video and subscribe.
That's not even straight.
I know. I hate my job. You're bleeding. Yeah, you are. You're literally, your head is bleeding.
What? Best friend cuts best friend's head. Not clickbait.
No, I didn't do that. It was just bleeding.
Okay, that's good. I'm happy with that. Okay, so yeah, I'm just tying up this top half of my hair so the bottom half of what I actually want to dye is separate. I don't want to dye the wrong bit. My hair's kind of long. So basically I'm gonna be ugly this whole time, by the way, but it's fine. Esther just laughs. She's like, yeah, you are. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. This is all the stuff down here that I'm gonna dye. Yeah?
You're dyeing your whole half of the hair?
Yeah. Yeah?
Are you asking your subscribers?
I'm asking you.
What do you mean?
You don't like it?
I don't like it. But I mean,
I kind of just want to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, so now I gotta mix the stuff. Okay, so we're gonna put in this, I don't know what it's called, and then the powder. So, here we go. Okay, so I actually got 2 boxes of this, and I'm mixing them together so that I actually have enough to do on my hair because they are just highlighting kits. So it's a little bit less, and my mom told me, you have really long hair, you should do it all. So I was like, okay. All of the, whatever this is in. And now I'm putting the powder in. As you can see, oh, I'm about to mess it up. The powder is, can you see? The powder is blue. Okay, I'm just putting these gloves on to stay safe from the bleach. Okay, so I just put this towel on to make sure it doesn't get on my shirt. Thanks to my videographer here. Okay, yeah, so I'm literally just gonna get some of this and put it on. You're supposed to put it on the tips before you put it on up near your roots because the heat from your head makes it go faster. So, okay, here we go. My hair's so long, what the heck? Okay, I'm time-lapsing this, so peace out. It's on my pants.
Watch me prayed up daily, drive me crazy. I can't stay away. It's sweet like candy, cocoa, mango, cherry. Dream it, real life. I might stay away. Just don't be sleeping on me, sleeping.
Are you doing? Because you did none here.
Yeah, no, I can't reach there. That's what I need to.
Oh.
Be in the gym bag. It's not even out yet. Wait, how she even get that? Yeah, that's what your friends say.
Okay, so we just finished it up basically. Here is the final turnaround. We have it in aluminum basically just so it doesn't get everywhere and so I can kind of move around a little bit. It's getting really light. You can kind of see through. We're gonna wash it out pretty soon. Alright, we're up here. I think I'm gonna wash out a little piece to just see how it really is. Oh my gosh. Look how blonde. That's so good. That's so nice and blonde. Okay, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just wash it all out. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wait, I'm kind of freaking out right now. Look at this. Okay. What? Yo. Look, that's perfect. I love it. That's pretty nice. Should I dye it longer? Wait longer? No? Okay.
Problem is, get it off your chest. No money talk, don't wanna hear the rest. I'm just happy I can make it on my own. But it's bittersweet.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. The part, like where you part it, it's literally white. Like it looks like you're bald, like there, because it's so white.
Hey mom, would you pass me the conditioner that's on the counter there?
We don't got so high, we couldn't calm down. Run down. We be out here posted too.
Oh my gosh, Dogster, is my mascara everywhere?
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Is it really light here? This is where I really want it to be light. Is it light there?
It's so light.
Okay.
You need a towel?
Yeah, in the cabinet over there. At the bottom. Yeah. I feel like everything's on my face. Oh, I think they're here. Who? Who's here? Hey! Oh, we're up here. Down? Yeah. Wait. Sorry, 1 second. I'm dyeing my hair. Wait, are they gonna come?
We'll be right there.
Hi. Sorry, okay, thank you so much, Darren. Okay, bye. Merry Christmas to you too. Some of the guys just dropped off my Secret Santa gift.
This is your mascara?
Yeah. Oh, it's kind of orange. A little bit.
But this part, it's so white.
Yeah, this
like
is
the
okay.
Yeah.
Ah! Wait, that's so
A
exciting.
lot.
Wow.
Pretty, pretty.
Okay, it's really orange on this side.
It is.
Yeah.
I should have left it in longer. That's okay.
That looks good though.
Yeah, I like it. I don't know, we'll see. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so I just took the rest of my hair down and I think it looks so good. I just did a little Instagram live. I'm so happy with it. I feel like I'm a Chamberlain. That was kind of the goal. I love it. Ah! Okay, I'm gonna walk Esther home, but I'll be back in a bit. Okay, so this is almost the final result. I think I am gonna style it really quickly for y'all, as it's still a little damp right now, but I'm so happy for it. Okay, look at it in like a ponytail. That's pretty cool. I love the sides. Ah, okay, this is so cool. I'm loving this. And then like, you don't know, and then you're just like, oh, hello. Yes, okay, I'm happy with this. This was literally the most random thing. Last night was looking at pictures of it and I was like, maybe I should do it. And then today I was hanging out with Esther. I was like, let's go buy some dye. And then my mom actually already had some, but yeah, I'm going to style it and then I will be right back to show you guys the final result. All right, so here is the final result. Ta-da! Ah, I'm so happy with how this turned out. Like I just said, especially these sides, so cool. And it's definitely a lot wider. I dyed a lot more than I had dyed before, and I think it turned out so pretty and bright. Definitely feel like I'm a Chamberlain. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any ideas, or if you think I should dye my hair pink after this, let me know and I might just be doing that too. Alright, if you stayed till this point in the video, first off, you're a real one. Second off, comment down below the little heart emoji. Love you guys. Bye. Alright, see you guys. Bye.